Hello friends, welcome to my channel Healthcare. I'm Mispa and today I'm sharing you a very interesting and useful remedy for your hair fall. Today I'm sharing you the ingredients which are antioxidant, prevent premature graying and healthy hair, and also stop hair fall. So let's start. Move on the video. First of all, we take peels of the onion. These are antioxidant peels are, and now peels can stop the dandruff and also strengthen the follicles of the hairs. Now we take a saucepan. Add 1 cup of water into it. Now bring it boil. Look at it. Now it is boiling. For 2 minutes we boil it. The peels of the onion that are best for hair fall, for hair growth, and you can spray it on your hair for healthy hairs. Look at it. You can add into it the olive oil. One tablespoon. Olive oil moisturizes your hairs and scalp of your hairs. Now you put it in a bottle for spray. Look at it. You can spray it on your hairs daily in the morning, and the hair color is not gray, and your hairs are healthy by using this. Now if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to give me feedback. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.